It's midnight at Taiwan's Taoyuan International Airport. One of the world's most modern planes, an Airbus 350 jetliner, inbound from Japan, has just landed. A maintenance team takes over the long-range airliner. In the next few hours, crew members will perform checks, repairs, and adjustments to ensure the safety of the Airbus's 300 passengers. It's essential. If the city's plans to become a fully fledged aerospace capital are to get anywhere, it has to be a go-to place for this kind of critical testing. "50 kilometers south of Taipei, Taiwan's capital, Taoyuan is a city with different facets. It's the nation's fastest growing city, with an integrated transport network, green infrastructure, and smart web solutions that make life quicker and easier for everyone here. But Taoyuan is also Taiwan's main gateway to the world. The international airport sees thousands of passengers, and tons of freight pass through every day. And there are bigger plans ahead. Lin Shuhong has been maintaining aircraft for 20 years. He knows how much the industry depends on experts like him and their tradition of quality workmanship.
一架飞机，那从小的到100多个人到300多个人的生命，是掌握在我的手上。所以我想从事这个工作开始，这个使命就在我的肩上。那我觉得这是一个挑战，那对我来讲，这也是一个责任。
Tonight, Lin and his team will put the Airbus 350 through what they call an A-check. Airliners undergo this critical routine every 400 to 600 flight hours. The workers have 12 hours to swarm the 66-meter-long plane inside and out, examining every nook and cranny, even in the 17-meter tail fin. Until their work is done, the plane's crew cannot take off.
今天 A-check 的检查项目非常的多，那其中包括了发动机的内部的检查，是否有任何有漏油的迹象，或者有什么松脱的迹象。起油架的部分呢，主要重点是在于润滑，我们都要打油进去，让所有的活动面呢能够更 smooth 一点，而不会卡卡的。
Every year, nearly 250,000 aircraft fly to Taoyuan for checks, repairs, and overhauls, generating nearly $2 billion in revenue. It makes the city a leading maintenance center in Asia.
桃园机场本身基本上它的这个地理位置来看的话，是属于东南亚跟东北的转运站。那同时我们都知道这边有很好的高铁啊、捷运啊、未来的桃园绿线啊等等，基本上在交通枢纽部分也可以跟未来的2大城市桃园跟台北做一个结合，甚至于到基隆，所以这个都是在桃园机场的相对未来航太发展的利基。
It should be no surprise that the island has become a home to aerospace engineering expertise. Across the Pacific lies the United States, the world's largest economy. China, ranked second, is just to the west. Number 3, Japan, is a hop and a skip north. And to the south are spread the 10 ASEAN nations, together the world's 5th largest economy. History foreshadowed this evolution. Hard to imagine that the city's origins were agricultural. Pioneers from the mainland arrived 300 years ago to find an undeveloped land.
Taiwan's early history is
To support farming, newcomers dug hundreds of ponds in which to store rainwater for irrigation,
the object of continuous and stormy struggle.
the basis for what became a prosperous agricultural economy. Centuries later, the lake-filled landscape they left behind earned the district the nickname Thousand Pond Township, a hint of what was to come.
台湾在产业结构从农业转变成工业的时候，桃园其实是算最大的受益者。为什么呢？我们在这个产业转型的过程，这个当时推出了所谓的10大建设。那10大建设其中有2个跟桃园息息相关，一个就是中山高速公路的交通网络的串联，一个就是国际机场。
中华民国68年2月21日，是中正国际机场第1期工程建设完成。
Built in the northwest of the city, this international airport has brought a different look to Taoyuan. An apron with space for 22 aircraft, up to 47 planes taking off and landing during peak hours, coupled with a terminal building that can accommodate 4,000 passengers. Taoyuan Airport was considered one of East Asia's largest at that time. The project dramatically changed the city, encouraging development and growth as associated services expanded. Taoyuan becomes a literal aerospace city unto itself. Back to the hangar. Today, the team is ready to perform heart surgery on another aircraft.
发动机会拆下来，会有2种状况。那第一种状况当然就是所谓的定期更换。那另外一个就是非定期更换，就是可能飞机降落或起降的时候在跑道头，那它可能会吸入鸟类或者是地面上的石头，然后造成那个叶片的损坏。那这时候就是要把发动机换掉。
A jet engine is essentially a machine for generating thrust. The turbine blades spin at high speed, compressing air. Injecting fuel into that air forms a volatile gas. When ignited, this gas explodes, creating millions of pounds of thrust that propel the aircraft skyward. During a total overhaul, each and every one of the engine's 40,000 parts will be taken out and dismantled. Recording its position and inspecting it. As with the human body, when it comes to areas of critical concern, these aircraft physicians need to use precision instruments to take a closer look.
这速度可以吗？可以。OK， 先慢慢排，看会不会撞到。
就是内视镜检查。那如果当我们 BSI 小组在做这个内视镜检查，那发现发动机内部的叶片也有损坏的时候，那这时候也会做更换。
Before going back to work, the reassembled engine needs to go through a rigorous final test.
那基本上这发动机维修完之后，那它会进到我们所谓的试车台去做一个测试。任何的数据都在所谓的规范内的时候，那它就可以我们就会把它换上。
Rigorous testing assures the quality of the workmanship. After nearly 60 days of heart surgery, the jumbo jet is ready to return to the skies.
飞机的这个制造商已经开始为了满足未来疫情后大量旅客、旅游、商务的需求，已经开始在接订单，开始在制造生产。相信台湾能够在整个航太产业全球供应链里面能够占很重要的一席。
After a pandemic lull, Taoyuan Airport is buzzing again. It prompts planners to begin working on an even more ambitious expansion.
我们做了一个所谓的空前的挑战，就是我们桃园现在有个航空城的计划，把这个机场当成一个核心，那往外蔓延。那我们想充分的发挥所谓的机场经济学，在这个机场周遭，我们有所谓的将近有300公顷的产专区，我们有上千公顷的住宅区跟商业区，那我们引进相关的产业，那再搭配资源性的这些条件，那我想这就是为什么桃园能够成为亚太地区首屈一指的航太城市。
Once upon a time, Taoyuan was a small agricultural town developed by the ancestors. It then became an air transport center, the most important gateway of the island. Now, the Aerotropolis project will advance the city's continuing transformation into a genuine aerospace capital, linking all forms of transportation in a seamless process that carries Taoyuan into the future.